to my channel. It's your girl, Krystle, the Pro Beauty. Yes! How are you guys doing today? I hope you're excited as I am, because I have an interview today and I'm rushing, and I'm like, Krystle, why don't you do a makeup video while you're rushing to do your interview? I don't know where this idea came from, but now I'm like, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is something I haven't done in a while. So my face is prepped and ready. Let's get started with this video. So today I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation. I'm gonna use my concealer in dark 46. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just soften up these lines. So I soften up the harsh lines just to make it smooth. So I'm gonna put some powder on. So yeah, I'm going back in with, I'm going in now with NW45. Yes, I need to contour my nose. My nose needs to contour a lot because I need it to get like this. This is my nose job. Eyes. I'm going to my eyes. Eyebrows are definitely last today. They're not going before. They are definitely last. Like last. Today I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I love nudes. Not those. Get your head out the gutter. Get your mind out the gutter. Because what happens with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, they have fallout and it falls on your makeup. So this is what I'm doing right now so that it doesn't fall on my face. So it will fall here and I'll just, you see what I do afterward, I'll just dust it off. I'm gonna go into orange soda and I'm going to place orange soda under my brow bone here. I'm gonna go in with Rustic. And I'm not stopping with Rustic only on the inside. I'm taking all inside, like here. I'm coming in here with it all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with Sienna, and I'm gonna put that on top of Rustic. I'm going to take Cypress Umber and put it on the inside and darken that up. If I haven't mentioned this before, blending is your best friend. Blend. Went in with Rustic. I went back in with Rustic and I put it right there to soften the harsh lines and make a smooth transition, a gradient transition. I'm just blending out my lines, the harsh lines, because I really like a smooth transition with my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to blend until I'm satisfied with how it's looking. I'm going to put the color. So taking the color bronze, and I'm going to place it on the inside here. I'm using a liquid liner, so let me see how this goes. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to take the darkest shade first, which was Cypress Umber. Next I go in with Sienna. This is where I start a contour. I just have a light contour. I'm using powder to just define my cheekbones. Time for some blush. I'm going in with this one. Using MAC Gold Deposit. Sorry, I'm like using MAC Gold Deposit. I'm not even looking at you guys. I'm sorry. Here I'm adding some gold deposit to the tear duct to brighten it up. So guys, I have a lipstick here. It's by Pen Shop. It's Beauty Pop by Pen Shop. Yeah, hello. And I don't know if to line my lip first or put it on. Currant. I'm gonna line my lip with Currant. So I'm going in with my Beauty Pop by Pen Shop. This is Hydra Matte. I'm going to put it on the inside. This inner lipstick that I'm using is from Sasha Cosmetics, and I don't remember the name of it because it came off, but this lipstick is from Sasha, this nude. Don't leave quarantine. I'm telling you right now. We're leaving quarantine without some skill. Whether it be we could cook, whether it be we can do makeup, whether we learn to do nails. But we ain't leaving quarantine without some skill, okay? So thank you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.